I've always been a keen violinist. Mastering a musical instrument requires constant feedback, practice, and fine-tuning. AI systems are surprisingly similar. They need rigorous testing, evaluation, and adjustment to perform at their best. It's why we created GenAI Evaluator by BCG X. Many companies have already developed innovative AI use cases and want to scale them. A scalable evaluation process will balance risks with impact to maximize value. The first task is for people to establish the parameters to test the capabilities of a specific solution in a specific context. GenAI Evaluator can then be deployed to generate test data and automate testing based on an existing test design. GenAI Evaluator can also offer automated assessments and then provide new test data for areas which still need improvement. I believe this sort of targeted testing and evaluation of GenAI solutions is instrumental to success. Our experience has shown that following this process can make it 2 or 3 times faster to deploy new AI solutions in production. Getting it wrong can be costly, whether through reputational damage from unintended bias or the mishandling of sensitive data, resulting in legal and compliance consequences. The biggest risk often lies in building a flawed business case, when solutions fall short of promised impact due to poor quality. Or what about the damage caused by a breakdown in trust? Have you ever spoken to a chatbot that couldn't answer your query and just left you feeling frustrated? Customers don't like poor quality service. In fact, 30% of customers abandon a brand after a bad chatbot experience. To build trust, AI use cases need to be proficient, safe, secure, and compliant. As with playing the violin, the quality of the output is what really matters.